Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you one of our second-hand motorhomes. It is a 2020 Chausson C656. Let's go take a look. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is a 2020 Chausson. It is a manual and it is a 7 berth, 7 belt. Now, it is about a 6 or 7 berth, but I'll show you the last single bed and you can make up your mind. Back here is your kitchen. You have your electric hot plate and your 2 gas hob, as well as your combined oven and grill here. Straight down the back you have your first and second berth, so that's your bunk bed there, and that there does fold up out of the way, so you can use that as an extra large garage. But let me know if you want to see that and I can show you, not a problem. You also have your bathroom back here with your separate shower. And then let's move into your living room. So this is your main living area. You do have your belt here, here, there, here, and then of course in your front as well. This can make up a small eating area, and this is then another bed. So that's one of your beds here, another bed here, and then of course you have your bed above the cab. So that's what I mean by this is quite a shorter bed. So it's a 6 to 7 berth depending on the travellers. Back down here you have your fridge in here, and you also have your TV bracket. Couldn't figure out how to open it there. So you have your TV that comes with this as well on its TV bracket. And you can spin that TV bracket all the way around, so you know you can watch it when you're in your living area in there. And then that just goes back in snug in there. I'll show you a close-up of this here bed now. Nice large spacious room up there. And then down into your front cab. This comes with a reverse camera. You have your radio, your aircon. So let's go take a look outside now. Now, as I mentioned, you can have the option to have a pretty large garage. You know, you can keep that space just in there, or you do have the option to fold this up out of the way, all the way up out of the way. If you want to see what that looks like, let me know and I can certainly show you. Round the back, you have your 4 bike rack. Nice little windows for each of the bunks there as well. And then your reverse camera just up above there as well. Again, you can access your garage on this side as well. And that's really it, folks. That is our 2020 Chausson C656. If there's anything else you'd like to see, please let me know. If you want to see this a bit more in depth, certainly send me a message. You can give me a call on 028 9269 3999. You can drop me an email, marketing@thompsonleisure.com, or drop me a message in the comments, and I'll see you next week.